All right, so this is step one, and it starts with the challenge name. It sounds simple, but it matters a lot. This name is public. People will see it on your landing page, in the participant area, basically everywhere. So it's not just a setup detail, it's part of your marketing. Here's what usually converts best. Make the name specific. A really solid formula is outcome plus timeframe. So instead of something vague like get in shape, go with something like lose 9 pounds in 21 days. It's clear, it's measurable, and people instantly understand what they're signing up for. Now let's set the schedule. First, pick your start date. That's the date the challenge officially begins, and once it starts, new registrations are closed. Next is duration. Duration is how long the challenge runs, from day 1 to the last day. So if you start on April 1st and you choose 21 days, the platform will automatically calculate the end date for you. And that end date is the last day your participants receive challenge content. One important thing here, you don't have to send content every single day. If you want weekends off, you can turn Saturdays and Sundays off right here. The challenge still stays 21 days long, even if some days are rest days. And the reason this is important is trust. Your participants should know how long the full journey takes. Even if you're not sending content every day, they still understand the timeline and what to expect. Last thing on this screen is the default delivery time. This is just the time your content goes out each day, like 8:30 a.m. You can always change the time later for specific days when you edit the daily content, but this sets the default. All right, that's it for the first step. Let's move to the next screen.